In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box to your Wix website. Whether you're a seasoned website builder or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser like Google Chrome. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to Wix's website by typing wix.com into your address bar. Press the Enter key, and you'll be directed to the Wix homepage. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to log into your Wix account to access your website editor. On the top right corner, click on the Login button. If your account is connected to Google, it's easiest to continue with Google. Simply click on Continue with Google and follow any prompts to log in. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard listing your sites. Locate the site you want to modify and click on Design Site to open the editor. This will load the Wix editor interface where all the website customization happens. Now direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar. You'll find a plus icon labeled Add. Go ahead and click on it. This button reveals a variety of elements you can introduce to your site, but right now we are interested in adding some text. Upon clicking Add, a menu will expand. Look for text and give it a click to view your options. Wix provides several text types tailored for different uses. If you're adding a title, choose from options like Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. For standard paragraphs, select Paragraph Text. There are also theme text options for text that follows your site's established style, which can save time on formatting. Once you've selected your desired text type, click on it and it'll appear on your page. You can now easily double-click the text box to start editing the content. This action will also trigger the text settings toolbar to appear, giving you a range of customization options. In the text settings toolbar, take full advantage of various tools at your disposal. You can change the font style, size, and color to match the theme or mood of your site. Additionally, adjust the alignment and even apply text effects to make it stand out more or blend seamlessly with your design. Customizing text is a fantastic way to convey your site's message effectively with the right look and feel, and Wix makes it simple and intuitive. By following these steps, you now know how to add and customize a text box on Wix, making your website not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated through the process of adding text boxes to your Wix website. Remember to save your changes and explore more features to optimize your design. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on making the most out of your website.